So the forecast has been for declining global economic activity. And yet the stock market is on fire. Since the day after Christmas, the market has gone almost straight up. They had the best January in years. How is this possible? We're seeing hedge funds and mutual funds and ETFs are having assets being redeemed. People are going to cash. They're coming out of the market, and yet the market's going up. Well, that mystery has been solved because we can now see the global central banks' balance sheets, and they've been adding quite significantly, all but the Fed. So the Swiss National Bank, the People's Bank of China, Japanese central bank, all been buying assets. They've been buying stocks, and the market's been rising. However, our forecast still remains for a global slowdown. We have more data suggesting that Italy certainly is heading into a recession. If they're not in a recession now, as it continues, they probably will. Same with the Netherlands. And Germany's not looking good either. They had 11% manufacturing plunge. Germany, the powerhouse of Europe. Couple that with the fact that we saw the Dallas and the Richmond and just recently Chicago Fed has dropped significantly, so the slowdown continues. So what does this mean for you? It means that income is going to be paramount for you. In the last recession, in the great financial crisis, rentals saved the day. People need a place to live. And we found that our rental portfolio continued to send us income month after month after month, even when assets were plunging. So we expect that to happen this time again. We're already seeing it in Canada. Canada is having a severe downturn, and economic activity has really slowed, but yet people need a place to live. And from our investors in Canada, they're telling us that their rental portfolio is doing outstanding. So this is great news for you. Now, if you're closing out some of your exit positions on a stock market and need to deploy capital, we probably wouldn't want to deploy all of it, but probably some of it to get you a cash flow, because we are going to have some very good opportunities to purchase. Just like the last recession, it was a great buying opportunity, and I fully expect it to be again this time. So we wouldn't deploy all of it. If you're doing a 1031 exchange from one part of the country to another part of the country, avoiding a taxable event, we can probably deploy that capital for you, because I had to be a 30 or 40% downturn. I don't know that we're going to get that. If we do, the taxable event is going to go a long ways to mitigate whatever we're not going to get. So we can certainly do that for you. It's going to be a lifeboat for you. Be careful out there. If we can help in any way, let us know.